previously recorded.
Alright, y'all, so here's what I got going back in the drawer. Here's what I got that's going in the closet. Alright, y'all, so here I have her stuff separated. I have jackets to quarter length shirts to long sleeve shirts. Then I have long pants right here, her long skirts. I think this is gonna be perfect right here. What's going on, y'all? It's your girl TIANAICANONLYBEME, and today I am coming at you with a Taco Tuesday recipe. I want to say welcome to my channel if you is new. Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed this recipe that I'm about to show y'all today. But today what we're going to be making is some taco egg rolls. Now, I done had these egg rolls since Valentine's Day. Y'all know we did the steak and cheese egg rolls. So if you missed that video, then I ask that you go over and check out my video of my steak and cheese egg rolls. My husband and I was in the kitchen cooking together for Valentine's Day. So the ingredients that you're gonna need for this is some cooked taco meat, and I'm using leftover taco meat from the Super Bowl party that we had. And so you're gonna use some taco meat. You're going to need you some cheese of your choice, and you're also going to need you some egg rolls. Now, this is the egg rolls that I found. I don't know if all egg rolls is vegan, but these taste delicious. So, we're going to need this. You're also going to need you some sour cream, salsa, taco sauce, if that's what you want. Anything of your choice, just make it your own. I'm just going to show you what I'm using, and you just take what I use, take away what you don't like, add to, and make it your own. So, I have my fryer over here heating up with my oil in it, and so what we're going to start off doing is rolling up these egg rolls. So I want to thank you for coming to my channel. Welcome if you is new. Ring the doorbell. What I mean by ring the doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you turn on your post notifications that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video or come live. Let's get into this video. Alrighty, y'all, so I got my egg rolls laid out, and I have my meat already warmed up. It's not piping hot, but it's warmed up enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some meat, and you add how much you want to add to yours. But I'm going to take, and I try not to go all the way to the edges. I leave some space. That way when it's time to close it up, I'll have it. I forgot you need some water too, so let me get my water. But you're going to fill your rolls up. Okay, so now I got my water sitting to the side. You're gonna need it, and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need it for. So I'm gonna take some cheese, and I'm gonna add it right on in here. Now I'm being a little generous with my cheese because my husband told me when you're making it at home, you put how much you like. So I'm putting how much I like in there. Okay, but try not to overfill it though, because you got to roll these up. Alright, so now you're going to take your water and you're going to go around the edges of the pastry. And what you're doing is this right here, what you're doing is going to help seal it up when you get ready to roll it up. Now, I do some extra tucking and rolling when I do mine because I don't want the grease to be getting all in the middle of it and, you know, be making it all extra greasy and stuff. So, I do a little extra tucking and rolling than maybe some. So, starting off, you're going to take one end of it and fold it over like so. Okay, hold on. I want to get you in. Then, once I take those ends and roll it over, I come and I stretch just a little bit. Do not stretch too hard because it's going to tear. So then you're going to take your ends, once you roll that a second time, and tuck the ends in like that. Pushing back. You got to push the meat and the cheese and everything back up into the fold. Now I'm going to take my egg roll. Can you see? Nope. Okay, so that's what I got. So now you're going to take your egg roll and you're just going to roll it on over. Being gentle because this bread is very, very thin. So you don't want to tear it and make a hole. But I got a little bit of hole, but it's not that big. So we're going to do another one. All right. So, like I said, take this in. Pull it over everything like that. Slide it back. Slide it back, tucking it into that fold. Roll it over one time, just a little bit. Take that in. Fold it over to tuck everything in. Take this in and do the same thing. Now take it and just roll it on over like that right there. And that's what you got. A nice ends tucked in real good egg roll. So I'm going to roll up a few more and then I'm going to come back. Alrighty, so now I have my oil heated up. I'm about to check and see if it's hot enough, which I hope it is. And we're going to fry these egg rolls right here in this oil. I'm going the outside seal part down first. So it is not, it's hot, but it ain't hot enough. Okay. Alright, it's frying. Let it get a little bit more hotter. See, it's frying. And we just gonna fry these and they're gonna start puffing up nicely. It's hot though. Come on now. And we're just gonna roll these over and let them fry all the way around. Let them cook long enough to melt that cheese in them and everything. Okay, so they frying. You don't want it too hot because you want it to cook. You don't want it cooked too fast. I know you probably was looking for a rolling fry, but yeah, that's true in other situations. But in this one, you don't want this outside bread cooked too fast and the inside with the cheese and everything hasn't warmed up and melted and all that stuff. So you want to cook it down low enough, that way you give it a good, everything just get done at the same time. All right, so I'm going to be rolling these over as they start browning, and I can tell around the edges that they starting to get crispy. You see how they getting white? They actually is puffing up. So hold on 1 second. So I have me some tongs, and I'm just going to be rolling those over. You see how they puff? They're getting puffy. And you can even deep fry these as well if you're not sure about pan frying them. But you just gotta keep rolling them. That's all you gotta do, keep rolling them. And they're gonna come out perfect for you. So I'm gonna fry these right here until they get nice and puffy and golden brown around, all the way around all the edges. And they'll be ready to take up because it's pretty much done. Only thing we're doing is browning the bread on the outside. Let them drain on the paper towels. Alrighty, so here I have the taco egg rolls. I hope you guys try it. Make your meat however you like it. But I want to thank y'all for watching. If you try it, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Until the next video, it's your girl TIANAICANONLYBEME. Y'all be blessed.